I'm Props, and today I'm making Darth Vader's helmet from Star Wars. You will need these household equipment, tools, supplies, and materials for this build. The first thing I did was made a dome. I go further into this process on my Tank Trooper video, so be sure to check that out. I glued on a strip of cardboard across the back and then cut the general shape of the respirator part out of cardboard, and then layered that up a couple times and glued on some parts to make it slope down into the cheekbone area. I glued it onto the cheekbone area and then bent up the cheekbone area so that it was kind of concave on these sides of it. I glued some cardboard around the edges of the respirator part just to cover up all of the cardboard seams. I glued two large panels onto the respirator part and then glued a strip of cardboard across the top to cover up where the eyes meet the nose part. Made the neck guard piece, cutting a triangle out and then cutting some cardboard to fit that angle, and then I bent a piece of cardboard to make the neck guard. To hold the neck guard in shape, I bent a piece of wire to hold it in place and used some magnets to hold the whole thing together. And then I did the process of papier-mâchéing the whole thing with old math homework paper and wood glue. And then I painted the whole thing a gloss black paint after spray painting it black just to give it a base coat. You really could just spray paint this whole thing, but I wanted the texture that this paint gives it. I put some Velcro on the faceplate and the neck guard just to make it fit snugly when I put on the helmet part. I glued on some silver details that I made out of cardboard and some Gundam runners. I just put these on the top of the face guard and on the neck plate. I think this overall turned out pretty good. It looks a lot like the actual Darth Vader helmet besides some of the squareness, and then the fact that you can remove the different parts also is pretty cool. If you guys want to see more of my videos, be sure to subscribe and like. See ya.